Power lines carry electricity from one place to another. When electricity flows through these power lines, it creates a magnetic field. This magnetic field interacts with nearby objects, such as the power lines themselves or the surrounding air. As the flow of electricity alternates, the magnetic field expands and collapses, causing vibrations in the objects it interacts with. These vibrations produce sound waves that we perceive as a humming sound. So, the next time you hear that characteristic hum coming from power lines, remember that it's all thanks to the physics of electromagnetic induction at work.